Today we're exploring the best daily yoga apps for Android that can help you strengthen your practice and find your inner peace. If you're ready to enhance your yoga journey, let's get started. Daily Yoga Fitness. Daily Yoga Fitness is a comprehensive app designed to cater to yogis of all levels, offering a wide variety of yoga classes and programs. With over 500 guided sessions led by experienced instructors, this app provides a range of practices, from gentle stretches to challenging flows, allowing users to choose workouts that suit their preferences and fitness levels. The app also includes detailed instructions and video demonstrations, ensuring that users can follow along easily. Daily Yoga Fitness focuses on providing a holistic experience, featuring relaxation sessions, meditation techniques, and healthy lifestyle tips. Users can also track their progress and set personal goals, making it a great choice for those looking to improve their yoga practice consistently. Daily Yoga for Beginners. Daily Yoga for Beginners is specifically designed for those new to yoga. The app includes beginner-friendly tutorials and classes that focus on foundational poses, breathing techniques, and basic sequences. With clear instructions and step-by-step guidance, users can easily learn the basics of yoga at their own pace. The app offers curated programs that gradually progress in difficulty, helping users build confidence and strength over time. Daily Yoga for Beginners also emphasizes building a mindful practice, incorporating helpful tips on meditation and relaxation techniques. This app is perfect for anyone looking to start their yoga journey without feeling overwhelmed. Daily Yoga for Beginners at Home. Daily Yoga for Beginners at Home is an app tailored for beginners who prefer to practice yoga in the comfort of their own home. This app features a series of home-friendly yoga sessions that require minimal space and only the most basic equipment. Users can access various workouts that focus on different areas, such as flexibility, strength, and relaxation. The app is designed to help beginners establish a routine that fits easily into their daily schedule, making it convenient to practice yoga at home. With instructional videos and easy-to-follow classes, Daily Yoga for Beginners at Home provides a supportive environment for users to develop their skills and deepen their practice in a familiar setting. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this overview of Daily Yoga Fitness, Daily Yoga for Beginners, and Daily Yoga for Beginners at Home helps you find the perfect app to support your yoga practice. See you next time, and happy practicing.